Hello friends, actually I am creating this video on New India Assurance exam which is going to be conducted for the post of Administrative Officer Skill 1. But before starting all those videos, means how to study, how to crack the examination, what is the procedure to crack the examination, how one is get selecting, all those things I will teach you. Before starting this thing, let me elaborate about myself. My name is Siddharth. As you are preparing right now, I was preparing for the same in 2010. I cracked nearly 11 bank PO examination. During our time, each bank was conducting its own exam, either Syndicate Bank, Bank of each bank was having its own exam. And I finally joined in a State Bank as a provisionary officer in 2010. I know various methodology, various ways to crack the examination. As I have not cracked for a single time, I have cracked for 11 times. I know each and every trick here. Okay, let me start about this video about New India Assurance. It's an administrative job vacancy come here, administrative officer. It's a very good job, very lucrative job. Here you will find one thing that Saturday and Sunday is off here, and here there is nothing called as rural posting. You will always live in the rural life, and the biggest thing is that the New India Insurance exam is conducted by IBPS only. So the exam of pattern is same as that of IBPS. There is nothing change here. So coming to the exam pattern, you will find reasoning comprising of 50 questions, maths comprising of 50 questions, English comprising of 50 questions, then general awareness with insurance field. This will 50 marks, so you will getting 200 questions out of you have consumed 2 hours. So there is 1 marks for right, 1/4 marks for wrong. Exam is going to conducted on 10/1/2015. So this is the thing here. Now your next question is how to prepare, or in simple words, write it qualify. First thing, always take guidance of successful person. Successful person who qualified himself for bank PO or insurance exam. As the syllabus is same for both insurance and bank PO, nothing, no need to worry. If you are preparing for the bank PO, you could easily answer this type of questions. This is the biggest thing, that is guidance. So what's the problem? I will tell you. Basically, if you are going to coaching institutes, the basic or major problem here is that there are lots of faculties who has not qualified or who has not cleared any kind of bank PO examination. Leave this bank PO, they have not qualified clerk. Leave this clerk also, they have not qualified even for the PO, even for the PUN exam, that is 4th grade exam. If they have not qualified for the PUN exam, then how you could teach this type of examination, bank PO? And there are lots of faculties. What they are doing? They are giving the bank PO examination, bank clerk examination, and they are teaching them also, and they are teaching the students also. See their idea. They are earning money from one way and they are utilizing another way. They are giving the exam of bank PO, bank clerk, and they have not qualified any time, and they are teaching the students also. And the students are also so much intelligent, they are picking those types of coaching institutes. Please make a mind that always choose this type of faculty who has qualified the bank PO examination or insurance examination. Then only you will be able to qualify, because he knows the success path. He knows how he has studied. He could tell you what to study, what not to study. This is always matter. This thing always matters. See, this is the source. This is your destination. So you have to choose a path. You'll always choose this one because it's easy, most what to say, most convenient way to reach the destination. There this type of route is also there. This is also there. If you are moving by this path, it will take lots of time. If you move by this path, it will also take lots of time. But if you move by this path, it will take less time. And one small thing you should ask that person who has, if you want to know you are going the right path or wrong path, you should ask always that person who has this destination. Okay, this is the thing. I have a person, means my students. I am means I am knowing there are lots of, means there are few students, not lots, there are few students who qualified bank PO examination in 10 days. I know some students who has giving bank PO examination for the last 5 years, not qualified, and these are qualified. Reason? He is taking the guidance of an expert. This is the key point. He is taking the guidance of expert. This is the crucial key point in success. Please remember this thing. Okay. So what are your benefits, course benefits? You are getting guidance by an expert like me, means I will be only guiding you. Guidance by me. Number 2, proper course content. You are having each and every aspect of this thing. Here you will get questions of 2010, 2011, 2012 questions. Okay, of bank PO, because I have designed a course for the bank PO only. But the thing is that New Indian Assurance exam is on the pattern of the bank PO questions. There is not even single bit of questions which is being asked differently from the bank PO. Number 3 is you could resolve your query directly with me, interacting with me. So these are the things here. Now come to the most important thing. Course fees. First course is known as online course. Its price is rupees 1500. Second course is DVD course. Here you will get 18 HD DVD. Its price is 2500. Fine. Then you could call me on my number 4 times 9 685127. Another number is 782754696. My email address is siddsinha123@gmail.com. My website is www.bybankpocourse.in. Okay, thank you.